Welcome back to the InfoFlux. In today's video, we will learn how to interface a reed switch module with Arduino and use a magnet to turn on and off light. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: Arduino Nano, reed switch module, relay module, breadboard, light, and some jumper wires. The reed switch module is simple but powerful sensor that can detect the presence of magnetic field. When a magnet comes close, the contacts inside the switch close, completing the circuit. When the magnet move away, the circuit is broken. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to set up the reed switch module with Arduino and create projects that respond to the presence of magnet. The reed switch consists of 4 pins: VCC, ground, digital pin, and analog pin. Connect the positive pin of the reed switch module with 5V of the Arduino Nano. Connect the ground pin of the reed switch with ground pin of the Arduino Nano. Connect the digital pin of the reed switch with digital pin 3 of the Arduino Nano. Connect the analog pin of the reed switch with analog pin of the Arduino Nano. Connect the VCC of the relay module with 5V of the Arduino Nano. Connect the ground pin of the relay module with ground of the Arduino Nano. Connect the signal pin of the relay module with D5 pin of the Arduino Nano. After uploading code, let's test it. When I bring the magnet close to the reed switch, the light turns on. When I move the magnet away, the light turns off. What's happening here is that the magnet closes the reed switch, allowing current to flow and turning the light on. When the magnet is removed, the switch opens and lights turn off. This kind of setup is useful in many real-world applications, such as creating a door sensor for home security. You can place the reed switch on the door frame and the magnet on the door, triggering the light for or an alarm when the door opens or closes. This project can be a foundation for more advanced home automation or security project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more Arduino projects. See you next time. Thanks for watching.